Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the gold versus US dollar ounce from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here and you guys can clearly see that once market closed off with a bullish candle over here, we were going to long this pair. Okay, so if we take a long position, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a take profit of 3.2%, which is amazing given the scenarios. And if we would have taken a short position from here, then maybe we would have made some profit. But for that, let us see that how would that trade been executed. This will be our stop loss and our take profit will be approximately till here. Let us go to the 15 minutes chart to see that if we hit our take profit or stop loss first, and you guys can clearly see that we hit 1.3% profit first before market went in the opposite direction and hit the stop loss. Okay, so we would have made two great trades from this gold entry over here and over here, and then you guys can clearly see that market has not tested our area of resistance, and again market has almost reacted from our major area of resistance. And if you guys would have traded this pin bar of the selling candle, then you guys could have taken a short position, okay, from here, and you guys will be making some good profit. Okay, other than that, overall good good trades were executed in this pair. So for tomorrow, the 19th of June, the area of resistance and support are going to remain same. So let us just simply move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this gold versus USD pair. And if you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to get back to each and every one of you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all. So just be vigilant and always manage your risks accordingly. So let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair from where we left off yesterday. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing this GBP USD pair yesterday, market was trending over here. So once market closed above our area of support over here and over here, then we would have taken some long positions as we were bullish in this pair already. Okay, so if we would have taken a long entry over here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be over here approximately here. Maybe we would have just hit a stop loss. Then market gave us a second opportunity to take an entry over here. So let us take this entry and see that how much profit or loss we would have made over here. This will be our second entry. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a take profit of 3.5%, covering up for the previous stop loss. That was it. Okay, then market gave us another opportunity to buy over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.2% profit, which is again amazing. Okay, and then market gave us a third opportunity to buy over here, but maybe we would have had a stop loss. Let us see. Over here our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately less than 0.3%, which means we would have hit a stop loss. Then market retested our area over here. If we take a buy entry, we would have hit a stop loss. Then market again retested our area of support and gave us this huge candle. And if you guys would have traded the candle over here, your stop loss will be just below this previous candle and this trade would still be running with a profit of at least approximately at a 0.6% profit. And right now the market is still in the sideways bullish momentum for the 19th of June. So just be vigilant and manage your risk accordingly, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this GBP USD pair as well. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comment section and we will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so that's all. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair. Let us see that how market behaved in this pair. So you guys can clearly see that market almost reacted from our short-term area of resistance, and if we would have shorted from here, we would have booked very small profit. Let us see, if we would have traded over here, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.5% profit only, which is not huge. But again, given the small and sideways movement, the market is not giving us much of a move, and we are still in the selling sentiment in this Euro USD pair. Let us see that how market gives us some moves in this Euro versus USD pair, and the major area of resistance and support are going to remain same. So that's why we are only going to move forward our scenarios, and you guys have to be vigilant for these areas. As you guys can clearly see that market is currently almost reacting from our short-term area of resistance. Okay, you guys can clearly see that we are in a major selling momentum in this short term. Okay, so that's all for today for the gold, the GBP USD and the Euro USD pair. And if you guys have liked this video, then please subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates. Okay, that's all. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.